So I'm a type 1 diabetic. I was diagnosed when I was 13 years old. I had screening when I was younger. My parents used to take me all the time. That's until I got to university. Started to get really busy. I had a really demanding job post university, and I'm ashamed to admit it, but I started ignoring the appointment invites I was receiving. After a couple of years into my job, I noticed some changes to my eyesight. I thought it might be best to get a screening done, so I did. I attended a screening appointment, and after I got the results, it was noticed that I had kind of severe changes to my eyesight, so I was referred on to the ophthalmology department. I had treatment done there. It went well. My eyesight isn't as good as it used to be, but it's my consultant says it's not getting any worse now, which is great. I just wish I attended the appointment a little bit sooner, I suppose.
Hi, I've been type 1 diabetic for the last 15 years, and I've been coming for my diabetic eye screening since the age of 12 years old. At my last appointment, they sent me for a follow-up at the QMC hospital because they had some concerns about my eyesight. Thankfully, I didn't need any treatment, but it reminded me of how important it is to attend my diabetic eye screening regularly, just so they can check for bleeds, leaky vessels that can cause permanent sight loss.
Lovely. So I started getting letters through about going to these diabetic eye clinics, but at the time I didn't realise I was diabetic. I've since gone to my doctor and they've confirmed that yes, I was. So I started going, and it's very easy to book an appointment. You can just phone, email, or I tend to book online. They've got plenty of centres. They've got the Ropework House, which is where I usually go on my days off, or Queen's Medical when I'm working. I found when you do go to the appointments as well, they're super quick and easy, staff are friendly. Yeah, it's brilliant.
So I'm really busy, work and things like that, day trips, weekends, don't have a lot of time to get to appointments really. Haven't attended my eye screening in a couple of years. So I managed to get an appointment, and I came this year, and I've had my results back a few weeks later and there's no changes. So it's really, really good, and I realised that how important it is to look after my health and attend regularly. There might be changes, there might not be changes, but it's always good to get checked out.